Welcome back, guys, on my YouTube channel. Now this is the Crypto Dives YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be teaching about what is coin market cap. Now I know a lot of you do not know what we talk about when we hear about the term called coin market cap. Now stay with me till the end of this video. I think I will have responded or outlined or give out the information about what's coin market cap. Now if you haven't subscribed to our channel and you're watching this video, I think this is the right time for you to click that like button and subscribe, plus turning on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Now what is coin market cap is our topic of today. Now coin market capitalization means multiplying the total of all issued coins derived from mining by the current cryptocurrency market price. Market capitalization defines the popularity of certain cryptocurrencies. Capitalization rather than a cryptocurrency's price is the main economic indicator. CoinMarketCap is owned by a man called Wall Street Journal profile Brandon Shares, owner of CoinMarketCap, a source of price data on cryptocurrencies that has become one of the world's most heavily tracked sites. CoinMarketCap, in brief, is a website which we refer you to use in order to make research or track down different cryptocurrencies. The way you use factory.com, Forex Factory, to track out the fundamentals which are going to be affecting the Forex pairs for those who are trading Forex. Now, even in cryptocurrencies, this is the right website to provide you with both fundamentals and technical analysis about several cryptocurrencies. Now, cryptocurrencies which are found in the CoinMarketCap, these are cryptocurrencies which are already public or which are being invested in by the people, and they are public, whereby you can trade, sell and buy these cryptocurrencies, plus withdrawing your money. Why? These currencies, they are already listed on exchanges, so that means they are public. Now, but CoinMarketCap is owned by the man who called Shezi. Shezi is the owner of BINANCE Limited crypto exchanger. That's why we told you, if you haven't opened an account with Binance, the link is down in the description. Hit that link and open up your account with Binance. So Shezi is the owner of CoinMarketCap. He has just bought it a few years ago from the original owner who came with an idea and made it. Then, but at the moment, I think CoinMarketCap is in the holdings of Binance exchanger. Now, a source of price data. When you go to CoinMarketCap, you get a source of price data on cryptocurrencies. Like I've told you, CoinMarketCap helps you to track down most of cryptocurrencies in the whole world, because at the moment I clearly know that we have over 20,000 cryptocurrencies in the whole world. Now, CoinMarketCap helps you out to track all these cryptocurrencies such that you can be updated. CoinMarketCap was created and launched in 2013. CoinMarketCap listed its 20th crypto asset this month, which will, with the addition of the lab coin, the milestone officially passed on the October 3. There are now 2,112 cryptocurrencies tracked by the data site, the most tracked according to data from alex.com. At the moment, by the time I made these notes back then, cryptocurrencies, there are over 2,000 cryptocurrencies. That's why I've tried to update you that at the moment, cryptocurrencies, they are over 20,000 cryptocurrencies. Now I have a little bit illustration about the website I'm trying to explain for you. So when you go to Google and you type CoinMarketCap, it will be displaying like this, whereby you will have a cryptocurrency. its current market price, its percentage, 24 hours, 7 days, 1 hour, its market cap, its volume, circulating supply, plus the way it's performing, whereby they will be showing it to you in a line chart formation. So for all these terms I've tried to explain, if you don't understand them, we already made a video about all these terms which are found on CoinMarketCap. So go and check out this video on our YouTube channel, which is called Crypto Dives Coin, and you get to know all these terms which are being outlined on CoinMarketCap. So that's all we had for you today, guys. We have been explaining what is CoinMarketCap and which value do we get from CoinMarketCap as crypto traders, and how do we use it. So for those who have liked this video, I think you will subscribe by the end of this video, and also hit the links in the description and see which link is favorable for you. We also have a free Telegram channel for those who are focusing on forex trading, whereby we give out free signals per day or per week to our community. So hit the links in the description so that you cannot be left behind. Plus, signing up with our reliable crypto broker, which is BINANCE, to start your trading journey. You'll be able to invest in over 400 cryptocurrencies, plus also trading them with a high volatility market. Now, this is the Crypto Devs, your mentors, signing out.